Police crackdown viewers on drug mafia in Jammu and Kashmir. We see that action against the drug mafia are part of a major non-kinetic campaign targeting the terror ecosystem. Security agencies suspect that money generated from drug trafficking is being used to fund terrorist activities. Late night police action carried out in the Padder area of Kishtwar district and raids conducted on abandoned homes located along the banks of the Chenab River. Police have searched more than a dozen houses in that area. And we have got those visuals for you as well. This operation was led by an officer of the Deputy SP rank. Okay, so crackdown on drug mafia in Jammu and Kashmir. Getting these pictures coming in. This is a major crackdown action against a drug mafia, part of a major non-kinetic campaign targeting the terror ecosystem. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us, Gursimran. You know, this is not just about cracking down on the drug mafia. It's also about squeezing out and finding the terror ecosystem which is hiding behind narcotics and drugs.
Yes, Shivangi, you have mentioned absolutely right that it is not only the drug mafia that is being acted upon by the Jammu and Kashmir Police, but this is a part of a larger non-kinetic crackdown that has begun. We have seen that prior to when the Faridabad module was busted, there was a major crackdown. The largest ever non-kinetic crackdown was launched on the ecosystem of the terrorism. And here what we are witnessing that in the Padder area of the Kishtwar, the teams led by the Deputy SP Vijay Bhagat, they are carrying out the intensified searches. These are at the abandoned homes that are close to the banks of the river Chenab, that the cops, they have to actually cross the river Chenab on the boats and then to reach the other side, and they are carrying out the searches in this very area. What we are getting to know that there are credible input with the intel agencies that the drug mafia that is using this entire ecosystem to sell the narcotics, that money is being funneled through different channels into this ecosystem of terrorism, that is at a low level or at a higher level. It is actually furthering the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, and that is why this decision was taken that in a phased manner the non-kinetic operations will intensify. Yesterday also we have seen that the LG Manoj Sinha has said that the operations needs to intensify, the kinetic operation as well as the ecosystem of terrorism, that also needs to be wiped out. So to completely wipe out all the supporting wings of the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, a major crackdown is continuing, and here the drug mafia is completely being gone. Jammu and Kashmir Police is going full throttle against this drug mafia so that this supply chain of the drug, it can be disrupted, and those actually trying to get money and then use it against the sovereignty of the country, that can also be got hold of.
That's right. Also, our viewers understand about the joint operations which are also being conducted simultaneously, Gursimran, when it comes to making sure that these terror networks are absolutely being squeezed out of any life. We know that especially post Operation Sindoor, Jammu and Kashmir has really tightened its security.
Yes, you have rightly mentioned that the security grid has been strengthened, and when it comes to the non-kinetic operation, these are completely actually focused on the complete wipeout of the terror ecosystem that is operational in Jammu and Kashmir. This terror ecosystem does not only mean those holding the weapons or those who are supporting those holding weapons, but also using the literature, those who are trying to glorify the Pakistan-based terrorism or furthering their ideology, or those who are in the name of the religion are trying to further the ideology or radicalizing the youth. Because yesterday, if you see the arrest of Yasir Ahmed Dar, the 9th accused in the Delhi bombing case, he has also pledged allegiance that he will be carrying out the self-sacrificial operation. That means he is going to be suicide bomber. So that was the level of radicalization that Maulvi Irfan has done on the name of the religion. So what all this is being done by the Pakistani proxies in Jammu and Kashmir so that they can actually destroy the youth of Jammu and Kashmir and actually radicalize them to wage a war against the Union of India. That is being worked upon by the agencies. This is the intel agencies as well as the executing agencies that are working round the clock to ensure that these threats are neutralized and any attempt of the adversary can be foiled well within time.
All right, thank you, Gursimran, for getting us all those details. A major crackdown on the drug mafia in Jammu and Kashmir, viewers. Moving ahead, viewers.